Hello everyone! Instagram business or creators account is very important in order to develop a business on this platform. If you want to be an influencer, content creator, increase your sales, have full internet coverage of your brand, make sure to use the very best from this app. Business or creators account works like a personal, but on much more professional level. This way, you can connect with your audience, customers, share brand values, start conversation, make your company more accessible to the wide auditorium online. But also physically, sharing your information online, such as phone number, email address, location, etc. Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leeds here. After watching our video tutorial how to create and set up an Instagram account where you could see some of the benefits, it's time for the next step. Now the first step is to turn a personal account into a business or creator's account. Tap on three lines in the top right corner, Settings, Account. Here you can see the necessary steps in order to switch to a professional account. When it's all done, you can choose between business or creator account. At any time, you can go back to your personal account. Instagram's creator and business accounts are nearly identical in features. When setting up a professional account, you will have to add contact details and even connect to Facebook. It's time to show you how to set up your professional accounts. As already mentioned, business Instagram accounts are meant for brands and businesses. Here you can have traditional call to action buttons so that visitors can call you, book, contact, make reservations, or send emails. Creator Instagram account. Creator accounts are created for the influencers and creators that don't have their own business. You can build your own fan community, have brand partnerships, create personal brand on social media, create your own community, cross-promote through different social media platforms. Homepage. Tapping on your account's photo, you'll be transferred to your homepage. Edit profile. Here you can change your avatar or profile photo, and be sure that if you present the business, it's good to have a logo as a profile picture. You can change your name, username, website address, and bio. Say the most important thing about yourself or your business. Public information. Page. Transferring you directly to the list of Facebook pages where you're an admin so you can connect your Instagram profile to one of them. Click on Done if you're finished. From this part, you can also create a new Facebook page. Category. Here you can also change the category of your business. Contact option. You can add your email address here, your phone number, address, and use this info for your Facebook page as well. Action buttons. By adding an action button, you can create a new level of interaction with your customers, such as ordering food from active orders. Book now. By selecting a partner, you're choosing the platform that is made for booking partnerships. Sign in and use their booking settings. Reserve. Here you'll have to connect with a website which Facebook suggested. Sign up or sign in and use their partnership services. Profile display. Here's the place where you can decide whether you will hide or show your category and contact details on your profile. By tapping on your icon, three lines, then Insights, you can track your audience interests no matter what kind of professional account you have. Accounts reached. Daily metrics. This way you can track the best day to publish, have someone go to your website, tap on email button, and so on. The good thing is that you can see which post and story had the best reach and impressions. Content interaction. How many interactions did you have on your posts? Likes, comments, or shares? This way you can see how much your audience is interested in what you're posting. Again, based on the interactions, you can see which post and story had the most of it. Audience. Which are the top locations? Who are you addressing? Combining those metrics to age range, gender, and most active times by hour and day, you'll be able to know when and what is the most attractive to your audience. But before that, be sure to post your posts and stories regularly, even daily. Change times, captions, but remember, if you're selling books for kids, post it during the morning and noon, not at midnight. You can tell that a parent of a small kid or even a kid themselves will not be online at a time. Be sure to listen to your audience and metrics in order to grow your business. Stories. In the frame of 24 hours, you'll be able to see who watched your story, but also the insights for each of them. Those insights can also be seen after the 24-hour period by tapping on the profile photo, 3 lines, archive, desired story, swipe up. You can go through your story archive by date, calendar, and location. You can share your old stories that happened on a specific day by tapping on the share button in the On This Day part. Insights. This is the part you can see if you have a business or creator's account, so be sure to know how to read Instagram statistics. From here on, you can also create IGTV video, promotion in both business and creators, but in the case of creators, you'll also be able to create posts and stories from here. Your activity is the part you can see on your business and creators accounts, and check your Instagram daily history. Now, let's take a look at the business and creators account and see their benefits and differences. The special place where you can see the next important steps in increasing your business popularity, conversions, sales, or leads. Promotion payments. Place where you can see your promoted posts and payments. Branded content approvals. You can either manually approve tagging, see your tag requests, or approved business partners. Now, this is very important if you have collaborations. Ad creation access. Request ad creation access. Permission to submit ads to a business partner, and they have to approve ads and they will broadcast it from their account. The ad is posted from the creator's account, but won't appear on their main profile page. If you're using a creator's account, you can also manually approve ads. Saved replies. You can save your responses to the most received questions, and this way you can respond instantly, creating a new quick reply by tapping on this button. Now, write the full message you want to send to your audience. You can also create a shortcut for your keyboard for this message so you can save yourself some time. Connect or create. From here, you can create a new Facebook page or connect to an existing one. Minimum age. The question you ask can set the account if you're creating the content that is not for minors. Set up Instagram shopping. Right from this part, you can create an Instagram shop. Be sure to watch your video tutorial how to create Instagram shop and set it all up. At the very end, you can have multiple logins to multiple accounts, add accounts, log out from the account you're in, or log out from all accounts. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leeds. You've been very helpful.